naglagay kami ng mga bagong facilities. Like ngayon, ang Splash Island, you can stay here for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days kasi meron ng tulugan. We open up the glamping. We have mga container van, we have tents na air condition, we have A-frame, we have dome, meron din kaming wave pool, no? Meron kaming mga kiddie pool o shower pool and kiddie slides. But ang technique kasi ng mga water parks, that's why they remain afloat at saka pinupuntahan ng tao. Dapat almost every year may bago ka. So we have added adventure parks, merong mga zip line, may sky bike, merong mga wall climbing, merong mga kiddie pool. Yung binigyan namin, meron kaming mga game zone where pwede mag-football ng pool yung mga bata, meron silang mini golf, meron silang mga axe throwing, meron silang yung mga ordinarily na tapos mag-swimming, they can at least do something. Ina-hire din yung services kasi we have mga contracts na in terms of building some of the adventure parks and amusement parks. And another one is the digital museum, when para ka nasa loob ng aquarium sa loob. So they also reinvent themselves na pati yung classroom andun sa loob ng isang amusement park. You have to reinvent your park if you want to stay longer.